Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through Jetonomy, a WordPress community plugin for creating forums, Q&A spaces, and idea boards. In this video, we will go through the basic setup, configure the important settings, and then see how members can create topics, reply to discussions, and interact with the community from the front end. So let's get started. I'm starting with a WordPress site using the BuddyX theme. From the WordPress dashboard, install and activate Jetonomy. Once activated, you will find the new Jetonomy section in the dashboard where we can set up the community and configure our spaces. Let's start by creating a space for our community. Jetonomy lets you create different type of spaces depending on how you want members to interact. You can create a regular forum, a Q&A space for questions and answers, or an idea space where members can submit and vote on suggestions. For this demo, I will create a forum space and give it a name and description. Click on create space. Now the space is created. Next we have trust levels. Jetonomy includes 6 trust levels that can automatically change as members become more active in your community. These levels can also control what members are allowed to do, helping reduce spam, giving more permission to trusted contributors. You can also configure moderation rules to control how new members and their content are handled. From the Jetonomy setting, you can configure other parts of the community experience, including notifications, search, voting, and how discussions are displayed. Jetonomy also uses optimized discussion storage and pre-calculated counts, so discussions can remain fast as your community grows. If you are using Jetonomy Pro, you can extend the community feature with modular extensions. You can enable features like reactions, private messaging, polls, analytics, custom badges, advanced moderation, webhooks, email digest, and more. Each extension can be enabled separately, so you can turn on only the features your community needs. Now let's switch to the front end and see what this looks like for a member. Here members can browse the available spaces, find discussions, search for topics, and jump into conversation directly from the community page. Let's create a new discussion. I'll open our forum space and click on create new topic. Here I can add title, add tag, write the question or discussion, and submit it to the selected space. Once published, the topic becomes available to other members who can open it and join the conversation. Members can reply directly to the discussion and vote on useful content. Jetonomy also let members sort discussions and load replies without constantly refreshing the page, giving the forum a more app-like experience. For a Q&A space, members can ask questions and mark helpful answers. You can also create an idea space where members submit suggestions and vote on the ideas they want to see prioritized. This makes Jetonomy useful for support communities, product feedback, and knowledge sharing websites. With Pro enabled, members can also use features like reactions, polls, private messaging, and badges, while admins get additional tools like community analytics and advanced moderation. And that's a quick walkthrough of Jetonomy with the BuddyX theme. You can use it to build a forum, Q&A community, idea board, or combine all three in one WordPress site. And with Jetonomy Pro, you can add more community features as your site grows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.